how can I repeat this conditionals?
Repeat.
Yeah, wrap around with repetition. So going to control, go to control, and then repeat and wrap around everything. I take our step outside. So this will repeat, but what will happen if I run this code?
So just draw.
Yeah, just draw short one again and again. So we need to change that. So we are going to use index variable. And then what I'm going to do is I will update the index here and right before the end of repetition. So how does the index will change?
Because when it repeats.
So let's say how many times this code will repeat? 10 times. So here is index. What is the first index? The value of first index? 0. Next? 1, 2, till? What is the last value of 9? Okay. And I'm going to use mod here instead of using 1. And also data index. I'm using mod is going on here. And divide by 2. So if the result of index mod 2 is 1, then what is the first result? Index mod 2. So what is the result of mod? 0, 1, 0. You see that? And what is the next one? Yes. What is the last one? Yes. And this one will be compared to 1. So here, let's say function, what this one will run? Is this run short line or draw long line? Really? 0. So long, short, long, short,
No, short.
short. So this one will draw long, short, and ending with short. Yes?
I don't know what mod is doing.
Mod is, it calculates the remainder. So what is the, after divide? So what if 10 is divided by 3, what is the remainder?
1.
1. So this is the result of mod.
So 1 is the
Yeah, remainder. After divide by the... Any other question?
I have the same question.
Okay.
So I'll just-
And then probably I need to clean it, so I will clear up. And if I run it, but what is the problem here? It just moves up and up and up. What's the problem? Yeah, we have to move right side. So after each time, what do I have to do? So I'm going to use x and y here. So instead of using 0 and 0, I will use x and y. X, y. So I will just simply x and y and x, and this one probably y plus 100. So I'm using this one plus, and here I'm going to use y plus 100. And for the next one, I'm also using x to y to x to I simply copy duplicate this one. And I have to set the value of x and y here to use that. So x is 0, y is 0. I set the value of x and y here. And then what do I have to do every time I draw it? I have to move. I have to change the value of x. So here I change the value x to 100, so it will shift 100 pixels on the right way. Yes?
Isn't for the long line it's supposed to be y plus 200?
Oh yes, yeah, you're correct. You're correct. Yes. So everybody think this will work? Well, let's try. It does not work. Why? So actually, it will draw this one. So probably pen up. I will a little bit shrink the value. X is 10. This is fine. So, but this one draw long, short, long, short. So long, short, but this one still draw this kind of the oblique lines. I will try to delete that. So draw line, pen up, pen up. What is the issue? Okay, so pen down, go to X and Y. So probably I have to move one more time. So I duplicate it. What I need is go to X and Y one more time, and then I will duplicate this one, and I just need this one time. So kind of I don't want to draw anything in the between. That's why. So you see that? So quite, I'll just make it 10, 20, and I'll draw it. So this is kind of like the thing, and then actually this one is not quite exactly the same thing that with the original one I want to draw. How can I switch the sequence? I want to draw a short one first. How can I fix that?
You switching the if and the else.
Yes, so yeah, that's another good way. I simply change this one from 1 to 0. Then actually this will do like this. But still another issue. This one does not ending with the short one. How can I do that?
Just repeat it 11
Yeah,
times?
yes. So this one should be 11. Then it will do like draw like this. And then after doing this, what we have to do after, so we got the